Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone. Today we will be discussing how to extract data from every other row in Excel. Ever found yourself needing to quickly pull information from a large dataset, but only from, say, every other row? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore a few simple and effective techniques to achieve this, saving you time and potential headaches. We'll cover three main methods: using a helper column with a simple formula, leveraging the filter function, and exploring the power of the index and row functions combined. Each method has its own strengths, and we'll break down when each approach might be most useful for you. But before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to FixZone for more Excel tips, tricks, and time-saving techniques. Now, let's jump right into it. Screen shows Excel with sample data names and corresponding numerical data. Data spans at least 10 rows. Okay, so here we have some sample data. Let's say we want to extract all the data from rows 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Method 1. Helper column. The first and often easiest method is to use a helper column. In a blank column next to your data, let's use column C in this example, we'll create a simple pattern. In cell C2, type 1. In cell C3, type 0. Screen shows 1 in C2 and 0 in C3. Now select both cells, C2 and C3, and drag the small square in the bottom right corner of the selection all the way down the helper column to match the length of your data. This will repeat the 1-0 pattern. Screen shows the pattern filled down the column. This column now acts as a flag. Rows with a 1 are the ones we want to extract. Next, we'll use the filter function. In a separate area of your spreadsheet, let's say starting in cell E2, type the following formula. Equals filter, A2 B11, C2, C11 equals 1. Screen shows the formula in cell E2. Let's break this down. Filter is the function we're using. A2 B11 is the range containing the data we want to extract, in our case, names and corresponding numbers. C2, C11 equals 1 is our criteria. We're saying only return rows where the value in column C is equal to 1. Hit enter, and boom. You now have all the data from every other row extracted. If you want data from even-numbered rows instead, just change the 1 in the formula to a 0. Screen shows the extracted data in columns E and F. This method is great for its simplicity and readability. Method 2. Filter with the mod and row functions. Now, let's try a more dynamic approach using the filter, mod, and row functions. This eliminates the need for a helper column. In cell E2, type the following formula. Equals filter, A2 B11, mod, row, A2 B11, 2 equals 0. Screen shows the formula in cell E2. Whoa, that looks a bit more complicated. Let's break it down. Again, A2 B11 is our data range. Row A2 B11 returns an array of row numbers for the specified range. Mod 2 calculates the remainder when each row number is divided by 2. So even rows will have a remainder of 0, and odd rows will have a remainder of 1. Equals 0 checks if the remainder is equal to 0, effectively filtering for even rows. If you want to extract data from odd-numbered rows instead, simply change the equals 0 to equals 1. Screen shows the extracted data in columns E and F. This method is powerful because it's self-contained. No helper column needed. Method 3. Index and row functions. Finally, let's explore the index and row functions. This is a slightly more manual approach but offers a good understanding of how data is being manipulated. In cell E2, type the following formula. Equals index, A row, asterisk 2. Screen shows the formula in cell E2. Index, AA, returns the value from a specific row in column A, row, asterisk 2 dynamically calculates the row number we want to extract. Since we're starting in row 2 and we want every other row, this will give us 4, 6, 8, and so on. In column E3, we are going to have row equals 3, so our result will be the 6th row in Excel. Now, press enter. Then, drag the formula down column E. You'll notice this gives you the name from every other row in column A. Screen shows the name data populated in column E. Repeat this for column B. In cell F2, type the following formula. equals index, BB, row, asterisk 2. Screen shows the formula in cell F2. Drag that formula down, and now you have the corresponding numerical data as well. Screen shows the corresponding number data populated in column F. A slight variation to this method allows us to start on odd rows instead. In cell E2, type the following formula. Equals index, AA, row, asterisk 2, dash 1. Screen shows the formula in cell E2. Now, press enter. Then, drag the formula down column E. You'll notice this gives you the name from every odd row in column A. This method requires separate formulas for each column but gives you granular control. Screen shows the corresponding number data populated in column F. Conclusion. So there you have it. 3 different methods for extracting data from every other row in Excel. Whether you prefer the simplicity of a helper column, the power of the filter function, or the control of the index and row functions, there's a technique here to suit your needs. Experiment with these methods, see which one works best for your specific data and workflow, and don't be afraid to tweak the formulas to fit your exact requirements. And that wraps up this video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FixZone for more Excel tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which method you found the most useful, or if you have any other Excel challenges you'd like me to address in future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling!